Welcome back, guys, to another iteration in our language learning series, Chat Patwah. Now, congratulations on making it this far. But with that being said, the focus from here on out will be to give you the ability to form your sentences in Patwa and the confidence to speak. Don't forget to like the channel, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we post a new video. If you're a first-time visitor, this may go over your head, but feel free to go to our homepage and check out our earlier lessons so you'll be able to catch up to us. This is our last all whiteboard presentation because coming soon, we're moving over to a new format. I'm going to introduce you to a chart for getting you comfortable for forming your own real authentic Patwa sentence. See a tool here for help you form a basic sentence. It will help you with how we formulate Patwa. We go by what take priority first. For example, everything pertaining to I, me, or my always start with me. So because Patwa directional, we are introduce the Patwa compass. So these are the Patwa compass cheat sheet. The green section are the positives, the red are the negatives, and the yellow are the past tense. These are the foundation upon which you are going to build your speech. So for the first example, mi'a, which is I am, plus the verb, what you do right now. For example, may I watch this video, or may I chill. This work with most verbs and is standard. This not change. For the next example, may I go by itself mean you are go somewhere. So this is also standard. May I go at work or at church or at school. So wherever you're going is always preceded by may I go. Now, if you are going to do something in the future, then I just may I go and the verb. So may I go cook or may I go clean. It take on the pure form of the verb. So it's understood you're going to do something in the future. More standard stuff, guys. Now, when it comes to the negative, I don't. That I know and forever, me no. So, for example, me no know, or me no think so, or me no want that. That never changes. Me nah is the other negative, means I am not. Also function as the negative dominant A. So, me nah go is I'm not going. Me nah work, I'm not working. Me nah go work, I'm not going to work. More standard stuff that we covered, guys. We use did to specify our action what happened in the past. A lot of times to be more specific. Example, me did go to school today. Or, me did buy one already. Or, me did tell him this morning. We use dida for something we were in the process of doing. For example, me did I sleep before you wake me up. Or, me did I watch TV before you interrupt me. And finally, for the past tense, are just me and the present tense verb. There are some exceptions we are going to cover next. But for example, me tell him, which is I told him, or me pay already, which is I already paid, or me go, which is I went. Guys, please pause here and learn these. This is the base that will get you talking comfortably. Screenshot and print this if you need to. We're going to post it on Facebook and Instagram, so if you want to save the picture. Once you learn these, you have the foundation and confidence for chat basic Patwa. The helping verbs are the same in English as they are in Patwa. So, for example, can, can't, must, coulda, shoulda, woulda, want, might. etc. So if you are use me with a helping verb are the same in English as it is in Patwa. So for example, I can go is me can go, or I can't go, me can go. When you are use want, which is want in Patwa, the verb will come after, I go in a pure form. So you don't need to insert to. So I want to go, me want go. I want to come, me want come. I want to eat, me want eat. This are the foundation, guys. The next set of lesson them, we're going to focus solely upon conversation. So until then, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever we post any new material. Leave us comments so we can see how we're doing. And don't forget to like us on Facebook. And follow us on Instagram so you can keep up with our progress. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you on the next one. And as always, take it easy.